Yo, what is up guys? Today we're going to be taking the CBR 650R to a good old-fashioned house party. But before that, let's test ride one of its newest competitors.
We are test riding a Daytona 660. Haha, how good. Thank you for that, Greg. That was really fun. I really enjoyed it, and I'm glad I got to experience the 660 because it's pretty cool. Let's go. They've adjusted my clutch. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, holy shit. They've adjusted my clutch. So they took the CBR in to get it valued, appraised, in case I wanted to trade it in for the Daytona. And let me tell ya, I got an eye-wateringly low figure. You know how much I got offered? 4K. I mean, obviously dealerships are trying to make money, but that's fucking crazy. Now, granted, the bike does have high Ks, but that's, yeah, that does not justify a figure that low. But in that process, they've adjusted my clutch lever. Oh my god. Because they've adjusted the clutch, I'm just not used to that bite point at the moment. That is the second time I've nearly stalled a bike since leaving the dealership. So get this right, I rock up to my appointment and, you know, the salesperson's busy, so I'm just walking around looking at bikes, and then I hear my name being called, and who is it? Who is it other than my own father at the dealership looking at a new bike? It's so funny, man. That's how you know it's a genetic problem. We're both just by chance happen to run into each other at the dealership. Oh man. Alright, this bike is so good, man. But yeah, anyway, that was crazy. And then on top of that, I'm so sorry if I've got your name wrong, but Tony, I believe. I ran into Tony and his son. Tony's a subscriber. He came up to me. He said he watches my videos. I appreciate it so deeply because even though I make these videos for myself and it's a little passion project of mine, it warms my heart to its core when someone else tells me that they enjoy my hard work. Dude, that made my day. When you end up getting a new bike and you've passed your test, hit me up and we'll go for a ride. Lovely to meet you and your son. We're gonna do cheeky? Yeah, we're gonna go cheeky. Oh my god. Oh my god. A Lamb's Daytona 660 cannot do that. Oh baby. Holy shit. I missed this bike. It's been so long. This bike actually literally has cobwebs on it because I have not ridden it in that long. Fuck, it feels good to be out on this thing.
Pretty solid start to the day if you ask me. Now, we've got to ride over an hour to get to this party. Let's do it.
My girlfriend's car is available, but because I like to inconvenience myself, I've decided to take the motorbike. A choice which is lesser in terms of safety, convenience, and practicality. But we're here for it because the fun factor and the vibes are unbeatable. Look at it, we're on Beach Road on a Saturday evening on the CBR 650R. I would not be saying the same thing if I was in my girlfriend's Corolla. You just feel so goddamn cool when you're on one of these things. And you know what? No one else, not a single person gives a shit, except maybe other motorcyclists. But yeah, no one cares. I will rock up to a party and I will feel cool as heck, but everyone else will just be like, wow, that dude looks really sweaty under all of that gear. And it's the truth. These are the moments I live for. You gotta find joy in the little things, and if that means riding to a party on a motorcycle instead of a car, I'm gonna take it. So today we're actually heading over to a party hosted by Jet Rider. You guys may remember him from when we no. Look at the fellas. That's so fucking hilarious. There's no chance I'm gonna do that on this road, unfortunately, as the police like to monitor this area pretty frequently. Oh, see that doesn't happen if you're in a Corolla. It's over an hour from where I began to get to this party. So I'm lucky this is a house party. Motorcycles just aren't really viable when it comes to anything else. Like if we were going clubbing, I would have to find a place to put all of my gear, which as an all the gear all the time kind of guy gets annoying when it's an external venue. Like I can kind of get away with it if they have a cloakroom, because I can leave my jacket, helmet, gloves in there and just wear my my casual riding boots and my casual riding jeans. Wow, look at that! What? That's fucking beautiful. Oh, so cool, man. Everything is just made so much better when you're on a motorcycle. Like, if I was in a car, I'd be like, wow, yeah, that's a pretty sunset. But I'm on a motorbike, so it feels so special. You can probably hear it in my voice. Man, life is good. Life is good. Look out for motorcycles. Share the road and save a life. Hell yeah. I love to see motorcycle awareness. Fuck yeah. That's me. They're talking about me.
Jet Rider instructed me to pin the throttle when I arrived at his house to let him know that I was there. Now naturally, I have some strong reservations against unleashing an unbaffled exhaust in a residential area, but for the sake of the people, it had to be done.
I feel like such a wanker, but I'm not gonna lie, I love an excuse to obnoxiously rev the CBR 650R, so I'll take it.
A little rip, bro.
I did a little one, but I don't think you can hear it over the music.
Hey, fuck, bro. How you been, man?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Bro.
Oh, good to see you.
I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it. Yo, there's flames as well.
Oh, were there flames?
Yeah.
Crazy. How you doing, man?
Hang on.
That's crazy. I didn't know it did that.
And there you have it, guys. I had an incredible day. Finally getting to ride the CBR again after the South Australia trip. I also enjoyed the opportunity to test ride the new Daytona 660, during which I was able to hang out with my dad and meet a subscriber. And finally, we got to finish things off by celebrating the birthday of a fellow rider. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang.